You are welcome. In Akash Hardware, you will find every item to give your house an attractive look. Here you will get the best quality tiles, granite, marble, sanitary ware, hydraulic modular kitchen, bathroom ware and much more. And the hardware of every brand is present here, whether it is Johnson, Century, Toyo or other big brand hardware. You are available here at fair price and rates. So come to Akash Hardware and give your house an attractive look. The जगतगुरु शंखाचार्य स्वामी अविमुक्तेश्वरानंद सरस्वती जी महाराज के प्रतिनिधि ब्रह्मचारी मुकुंदानंद द्वारा दोपहर 1 बजे आयोजित प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस से पहले गुरुवार सुबह शिलांग प्रेस क्लब में सुरक्षा के कड़े इंतजाम किए गए थे। पुलिस ने यह कार्रवाई हिनीवट्रेप यूथ काउंसिल HYC के शिलांग प्रेस क्लब परिसर के बाहर उक्त संगठन के खिलाफ विरोध प्रदर्शन करने पहुंचने से पहले की। HYC के अध्यक्ष रॉय कुपर सिनरेम के नेतृत्व में कार्यकर्ताओं को पुलिस ने रोका और उनसे पूछा कि क्या उनका इरादा कानून और व्यवस्था बिगाड़ने का है। सिनरेम ने कहा कि HYC का संगठन को प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करने से रोकने का कोई इरादा नहीं है, बल्कि उनका उद्देश्य सिर्फ उनके उद्देश्य पर सवाल उठाना है। ऐसा इसलिए है क्योंकि हमने देखा है कि उन्होंने अरुणाचल और नागालैंड में कैसे बयान दिए हैं कि उनका इरादा गोहत्या और गोमांस खाने पर प्रतिबंध लगाना है। यहाँ मेघालय में गोमांस एक ऐसी चीज है जिसका हम सेवन करते हैं और वे यहाँ आकर यह तय नहीं कर सकते कि हम क्या खाएं। इसलिए हम उनका दृष्टिकोण समझना चाहते हैं, उन्होंने कहा। उन्होंने आगे कहा, मेघालय में रैली आयोजित करने की किसी भी योजना की हम अनुमति नहीं देंगे। उन्होंने सरकार को चेतावनी भी दी कि वह हिंदू समूह को कोई भी रैली आयोजित करने की अनुमति न दे। अगर सरकार अनुमति देती है तो HYC उसी दिन गोमांस खाने का उत्सव भी आयोजित करेगा। हालांकि ब्रह्मचारी मुकुंदानंद द्वारा दोपहर 1 बजे होने वाली प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस स्थगित हो गई क्योंकि वह पहुंचे नहीं।
And they have made statements that they want to hold a rally against consuming of beef or against banning of cow slaughter. A second thing also, they want through these kind of rallies, they want to propagate that cows are mothers of all Indians. Secondly, they are also planning to have the same rally here in Shillong. They also went to Nagaland on last week and think they have planned to hold a rally on the 28th, in which the government of Nagaland has denied permission for such a rally. So the intention of these people to come today to Shillong Press Club is that to announce regarding the dates of such a rally. So we came today with an intention to meet them, to ask them what is their intention and why are they coming to Meghalaya, knowing that majority of the people staying in Meghalaya are consuming beef. And majority of the people of Meghalaya, we don't regard cows or dogs as our mothers or our sisters. So do not come and, our message is very clear, do not come and dictate terms on us. We will eat whatever we want. We don't dictate terms on you, so don't dictate terms on us. And the second thing, and the second message, a very clear message is that no such rally will be allowed from our side to be held in the city of Shillong or in Meghalaya. And we also want the government of Meghalaya not to give permission to such a rally, because if such kind of rally are allowed, it will create disharmony among the people, the various communities of various religions staying in the state of Meghalaya. For the past many years, hundreds of years, we have been staying together. All religions we are celebrating different, festivals together. We don't have that, that difference between the religion in the state of Meghalaya. So we don't want these people from outside to come and sow that seed of hatred to the people of Meghalaya, and most particularly in Shillong. So we warn them, don't come to Meghalaya. If you want to take this message, you can take to other states in which you can, tell them that they cannot eat cow, or they can regard or they can worship the cows or the mothers or the sisters, but not here in the state of Meghalaya. And our message to the government of Meghalaya is very clear. If you allow such a rally to hold, we also on the same day, if that rally is held, we also on the same day will be calling for a rally in which we will have a celebration of cow eating or beef eating festival on the streets of Shillong. That is a message to the government of Meghalaya. Okay.